Good morning, students. We are going to start the determination of molar mass of solute from relative lowering of vapor pressure. First of all, we know according to Raoult's law, P naught A minus PA divided by P naught A equal to XB. In the previous video we have discussed these things. Now let us suppose WA equal to weight of the solvent. Okay, WB equal to weight of the solute. Now MA equal to molar mass of the solvent. Okay, molar mass of the solvent. MB equal to molar mass of the solute. Okay, and this law is applicable for very dilute solution. Now Na and Nb are the number of moles. Last Na and Nb be the number of moles of solute and solvent. Okay, now we use Raoult's law and mole fraction. First of all, we know Na equal to WA by MA. Similarly, NB equal to WB divided by MB. Okay, अब हम लोग मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ द सॉल्यूट की बात करते हैं. मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ द सॉल्यूट इक्वल टू, चूँकि हम लोग इसमें मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ द मोलर मास ऑफ द सॉल्यूट कैलकुलेट करना है, तो सबसे पहले मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ द सॉल्यूट हम लोग लेते हैं. मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ द सॉल्यूट ओके, दैट विल बी XB इक्वल टू NB divided by Na plus NB. Okay, now XB equal to, putting the value of Na and NB. if इसको अगर ये इक्वेशन 1 सपोज किया जाए तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. तो XB इक्वल टू NB इक्वल टू WB डिवाइडेड बाई MB. ओके, Na इक्वल टू WA डिवाइडेड बाई MA plus NB equal to WB divided by MB. Okay, now the amount of solute is very less, so WB divided by MB can be neglected. Okay, in other words, you can write NB is very less in comparison to Na. So XB equal to WB divided by MB divided by WA divided by MA. Okay, now we again XB equal to P naught A minus PA divided by P naught A equal to XB. Now put the value. Okay, now we will find XB equal to WB divided by MB divided by WA divided by MA. Okay, now XB equal to P naught A minus PA divided by P naught A equal to WB divided by MB into MA divided by WA. अब इसकी मदद से हम लोग मोलर मास ऑफ द सॉल्यूट MB के टर्म में इस इक्वेशन को एक्सप्रेस करेंगे। नाउ MB इक्वल टू WB, ओके, WB इंटू MA इंटू P0A, ओके, डिवाइडेड बाई P0A माइनस PA into WA. Okay, this will be the final equation. Now you can write in this way also, MB equal to WB into MA divided by WA into P0A minus PA by P0A. It can be written in this form also. Okay, now in the next video we will discuss about the determination of molar mass of the solute in case of elevation boiling point. First of all we see what is elevation boiling point. Okay, thank you.